check out this radio. It only plays the Bee Gees.
Really?
Yeah.
Cool.
Weird.
I like that.
I like it too.
Here we are.
Oh.
Yep.
So anyway, so far we wasted 2 months looking for front fenders. Oh. But the thing really needs front fenders. They don't have any inner wheel liners, so gravel and all that kind of hits the top of the fender.
We know you want to go for a ride.
Not gonna happen, baby.
Let Pop talk for a little bit to the masses.
Alrighty. Anyway, then in another episode we rebuilt the carburetor. I don't know if you posted that yet, but we rebuilt the carb and we're still kind of tuning on a little bit, but actually not really bad, you know. The choke, I'm having an issue with the choke pull off. I'd like that to work better, you know. But there is kind of some adjustment in here that I'll look at. Power steering, it was actually the return line. A lot of times the pressure line will go to hell, but in this case it was actually a return line, so that was leaking. So, but I replaced them both.
Cool.
So, and then something else we kind of noticed, there's a bolt missing here on the intake.
I've seen that.
Okay, and there's a third pulley down here. Okay,
there is.
And there are 2 grommets in the firewall here, right there.
Yeah.
So did this thing have air?
Oh, geez.
Damn it, Cohegan.
He'd almost have to think so.
You got what you wanted. I'll give this Barracuda
Come on.
Ow, 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 ow.
Give the people what they want.
Here you go, honey. I'll put it in my pocket. All right, so you know, we did that. One of the brakes was you want your truck back? Here you go. There you go. So here. Yep, there you go. I know what.
All right, go draw. Draw a Barracuda.
If I wanted it, I would just take it from you. All right. So anyway, back to okay. Then we jacked the rear end of it up, and we had a brake that was dragging or whatever. And of course, you know, I took the brake that didn't need to be fixed apart first.
Of course.
And that side is all brand new stuff. So the drum is brand new, all the hardware is brand new.
Oh, no kidding.
So I come over to this side here and took it apart, and it's all old stuff. It's probably the original stuff. But the issue was it had the adjuster cable.
Okay.
Had severed, came apart.
Oh no, really?
So anyway, I called over to parts stores and wanted to get a brake hardware kit. You can't get it. But anyway, they did have just the adjuster cable, so I got that. So $10 for a box of 4 of them. So got that back together. Anyway, it needs all new brake hardware and stuff. So I'll be searching for that. Anyway, slammed it back together. So then after I lowered the jack on this, I got to thinking what else we had for it. And we have got that rear trunk lock kit for it. So
I see this.
yeah. I know, honey. I know.
Here, hop on in.
I wish I had a chalk. I'll grab it.
Get in there. This is your Barracuda in like 13 and a half years. That's why my mother acquired this vehicle, was for her. So anyway,
yeah, stuck this drill in it, started getting progressively bigger and bigger, and then finally this thing just kind of hogged right out, grabbed a hold of it, spun it, which isn't that good. I'll have to kind of hammer and dolly this back into shape so that it retains these little notches here. But anyway, so I got kind of excited about that. I was ready to stick a screwdriver in it, and I thought I'd come up and have Blake take a look at it. So it'll be like
unboxing
Al Capone's vault or whatever, only with a more attractive Geraldo Rivera.
Right.
All right.
What?
Right.
Who's Geraldo Rivera?
You, I think.
I am?
Wow. Yeah, you can.
I don't have that good of a mustache. I know who it is. Cool. Now the Barracuda, it's not that bad. Just need to find some fenders. So if anybody knows where there's a driver's side and passenger side, 64, 65, I believe. I believe 67's different. And
65, I think, are specific to themselves.
oh, really?
Yeah, 63 and 4 are the same.
And the Valiant ones won't work either because, I mean, they would work.
A 65 Valiant would be a direct swap, I believe.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah. Anyway, what? You don't have a smaller thread. I can't see what I'm doing. I can see the slot in there, but I don't know. Oh, there we go. Ready for this?
Drum roll.
Oh, this is kind of neat. Look at this.
Huh.
I've never seen that before. Huh, that's weird.
It's got a spring in it.
Yeah, sure. Oh, that's kind of cool. Anyway, what do we got here? Ooh. Oh.
There's a jack in there.
Oh, master cylinder, so the one that's in it's probably newer, I guess, or newish.
Right.
But I imagine there's probably a bounty on these, right? Maybe? Who knows?
To be rebuilt.
Yeah. Halogen headlights.
Okay. She's driving.
Okay.
Nice headlight. Ooh, wheel trim, huh?
And what's that to the front or right back, Scott? This is a master cylinder.
Yeah. And a mouse nest in there.
Well, there's some clips or whatever.
Okay.
What are these about? This looks like a trim clip of some sort. Huh. Look at these.
Little ventilation.
I suppose when you shut it, I mean when you shut the doors, it
oh, okay. Yeah,
allows
that
air
makes
to
sense.
escape. So you don't blow your eardrums out. What's this here, bud? Oh, what the hell is this star wheel?
That's what you need.
Well, I was actually, I mean, the one that's in it is, you know, these are specific left to right too. I wonder if that's an issue with that. So, but anyway, this one's kind of dinged up.
There's a bracket, some brackets in this box. I wonder if that was for air conditioning.
Oh, this here. Actually, that looks like an engine strut.
Oh, to the tranny from the motor.
Yeah, that should be in place. This looks like a carburetor was rebuilt once. That's a base gasket. Headlight trim ring. These are kind of universal for a lot of, you know, double headlight Mopars or whatever. And it goes on there. Payless.
We work to
Cashways.
Okay.
There's some miscellaneous hardware, not really specific to the car. It looks like it was a plumbing project. What's this? Ouch! There's a clamp.
Like a bicycle.
It almost looks like a bicycle seat clamp, but it could be for one of the, what is it up front? I don't know.
Yep, we've seen that.
Mm-hmm. All right, what else? Oh, ooh, look at this.
V8.
Oh, that's precious there.
That's cool.
Well, there's a couple of them. This has got one on it. Wait, yeah.
Stop hitting your head on the glass.
Barracuda. Looks like it's in good shape. That goes in the front fender, or maybe it goes in the back here. This, I don't know what this is.
It almost looks like it'd be for like steering column or something.
Right. Battery hold down, which is missing.
A bunch of little light bulbs.
Well, those are new old stock. Newark, New Jersey, USA. Look at the old car outline.
Just shooting beams of light.
Carlton.
Cool.
Okay, so
Ball joint.
looks like a ball joint, or what is it? No, there's a tie rod end, isn't it? Whatever. Oh, look at this. Power Street. Old bias ply. Oh, doesn't have air in it.
Oh, there's look at some pretty gnarly
Weather check. This, oh fuck, I don't know if I can fix this or not. Is that the original one or not? I don't know. But anyway, we need one of these. you got there? Oh, it looks like a distributor cap. Cap and rotor. Oh, that's not the original one either. I don't believe it is. It's a gas can, emergency gas.
Got a.
It's got a hole in it.
I wonder if it was like an overfill or something at one time.
That's the rear trunk carpet, looks like.
Look at the valve stem cap on this son of a...
Oh, that's huge. It's the biggest one I've ever seen. Are you kidding me? Wait, that would throw your wheel way off balance. It's just like a lug. It wasn't even screwed on.
Oh,
there.
what the... Come on.
Oh, it's the complete jack, it looks like.
Yep.
Well, that's cool as hell.
Yeah.
Huh.
And
Actually, the trunk is beautiful.
yeah, you could wax this thing.
No, not too bad. A couple of spots. Anyway, let's do this one. Who's up there? Who is up there?
Oh, cool. So,
there we go.
yeah.
Anyway, a lot of this is just junk. I'm gonna throw away probably, but no gold.
No. No dead body either. So
That's good. So there you have it.
Don't leave your screwdriver in there.
Where?
I don't know.
Oh, my key?
Yeah.
My trunk key? Oh, that's it now. So now I'll go back home and I'll work on that and I'll stick the new trunk lock on it. Yeah.
Okay.
So, right?
Well, I might as well just give you the GoPro.
You could do that.
Would you guys want to see that again?
No, I'm not going to work on it today. I'm done. I'm done for the day. So, all right, cool. There you go.
Yeah.
There you have it. Mystery solved. Right?
Mystery has been solved.
Was it really even a mystery to begin with? It probably wasn't.
Well, I didn't expect really much to be in there. It's kind of cool that there's a bunch of old parts and stuff,
Yeah.
though. Or,
I
you
mean,
know,
that trunk hasn't been open in how many years yet?
it was all vintage looking stuff.
Yeah. So probably 30 years or...
Hi.
Hi, sweetie.
I want to work.
Hi.
You're going to work?
What's that? You're going to work?
I'm going to work.
Oh,
Anyway,
cool.
Yeah, fenders, we need fenders. So, yeah.
You know what? Update on things to do this month. So we got Mopar Max and Mopars on the Mississippi.
Yeah.
That's the end of this month.
Loena Car Show.
Loena Car Show and Burnout Contest.
Yeah.
I think...
What, throw this in it?
I mean, smoke 13s.
Yeah, it would be nice. I don't know.
Because you're going to put rallies on it anyway.
Yeah.
So why don't we enter this in?
Yeah.
Nobody
Oh,
else
I
would
know.
have one like it.
It needs brake work yet.
Well, you don't
hit the brake and it goes all over.
Don't do the back brake. That'd only help you with your burnout.
Right. Well, there you go, Blake. You're always thinking.
Yep. So, what do you think? Should you enter this into the burnout
I
competition?
don't think your mom will have anything to do with that.
How about you put in the comments below on this video if you would like to see this be entered in the burnout competition.
I don't think it'll even do it. Not yet. Yeah, it's got a ways to go yet. It'll squeak them a little bit. It's kind of funny. So yeah, that must be that new master cylinder in there. Huh? Oh, it looks nice, don't it?
Oh geez, brand new.
I don't know. It was.
Yeah.
Everything was new. So anyway, all right.
Right? Yeah.
Well, I think I'll sneak this back down to the house.
Cool.
I'm going to Barracuda drive.
You want to go for a Barracuda ride? Not yet. It's just not too safe yet, hon.
It's got to have brakes.
Someday you will. We'll put you right in the back seat.
Yep. Go over by the duster. All right. Well, don't forget to move your e-brake there.
Run it over.
Okay.
Oh, alrighty.
Yep.
So what else are we doing?
We got to get them Barracudas over here.
Right, got to do that and work on some 360s, 2 of them. And we got 2 904 torque flights we got to rebuild yet. And they'll both get TF3 full or full manual shift kits
Okay.
stuffed in those. What the hell? Subframe connector. We got all kinds of stuff to do. So I tell you what, we've just been busy. I mean, everybody's been busy. You've been crippled up, whatever. But anyway, we're trying to get done what we can get done. So anyway, there you have it. What I've got probably $3,000 worth of parts that I bought for the 67 altogether, I guess, so far. So
Go fund him, please.
so yeah, really. But so all that stuff that I bought, I need to screw on to the car itself, and then hopefully get it up and running one of these days. But it's just been, you know how it is, a struggle sometimes. But anyway, well, that's gonna do it for me. So
Yeah. Well, thanks for stopping up and filling us in.
you bet, you bet.
So
So make sure you like, share, subscribe, ring that notification bell.
he's going places.